Have you ever wished your favorite actor could star in that viral scene? Well, now they can. Just one click, and it's real. Step 1. Upload your video. Start by selecting the video you want to edit from your device. This could be a movie clip, a TikTok video, or any short film you love. Step 2. Use the slider to detect faces. Once the video loads, drag the face detection slider slowly until the AI highlights all the faces in your clip. You can zoom in to check if the recognition is accurate. This step ensures the swap will look seamless and realistic. Step 3. Upload the face you want to use. Choose a high-quality image of the face you want to insert. It could be your own, your friends, or even a celebrity's. Step 4. Click Generate and watch the magic happen. Hit the Generate button, and in just seconds, the system will process your video and replace the face with incredible realism. You can preview the result instantly and download it to share on social media or with friends. ArtingAI. Generate with gold coins instantly, no waiting. Claim free silver coins every day and enjoy endless creative fun. Join now and see how fast your imagination comes to life.